In this video, I'll show you how to turn on or off your charging case sound of your AirPods Pro 2nd generations. This is the speaker, by the way. So to do so, make sure they're connected to your iPhone or iPad and open the lid. Then go on settings, and on one of the top options here should be your AirPods Pro. Tap on them. Once you're here, scroll down until you see Enable charging case sounds. You just need to turn it off or on with this small simple toggle. If you don't see your AirPods Pro appearing over here, all you need to do is to go into your Bluetooth. And these are all the devices connected to your Bluetooth. You need to find your AirPods Pro. Mine is the first device here, and tap on the blue eye icon right there. And you'll access the same menu and you'll have the same option here to turn it on and off. So this is it. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like if it was, and why not even comment down below. See you in the next one.